you know, that's what we did. We rolled around on our bikes in town. I mean, I was pretty sick. I was pretty steezy. Like, lots of people said, lots of friends, family, like everyone who saw me was like, oh, that guy's gonna go pro. You know, he's just so sick. He's just so good already. He like is as good as a pro biker now, like as a child. That's people said that, teachers, principals and stuff. But I don't know, man. For me, it was always about biking. It was just getting out there, doing steezy tricks, you know, getting some air, you know. Big air is a thing that we used to do a lot on the bike, so that was cool. But I think even though now I could do a lot of those tricks still, and like still most BMX type pro bike guys would probably look to me to see like what type of cool new innovations, like new tricks, I don't know. Like, I think I'm happy where I'm at. You know, I think I'm happy being a teacher. Do I ever think about what it would be like if I wasn't teaching and I was just like on Nitro Circus, like a huge bajillionaire, super famous? No, I don't think about it. No, never. What's going on? Mr. Hoover here. Today, Nature Walk, scavenger hunt. What is that? Why aren't we walking? What's this all about? My wife, Mrs. Hoover, aka Megan, her and I are gonna go tour the river valley and pay special close attention to some of the flora and fauna that we often forget about exists right here in our own communities. So I don't know, we're just gonna go hit the path, hit the river, stay safe. If you're biking, wear a helmet. If you're walking, okay, make sure you're socially distant. You guys know all this by now. But yeah, let's hit up a nature walk, see what we find. Yo, we're out here trying to find this woodpecker and other animals. It's just really funny to me. I had a friend one time tell me, you know you're getting old when you notice bird behavior. And I'll just tell you kids right now, like, I'm so into this. Like, I am really out here and I am really looking for birds, and it's making my day. That is getting old. This is helpful. They got all these signs about protecting the aqueducts and the environment, you know? So this is what I should be seeing out here. We got poplar, aspen, willow, bunchberry, prickly rose, cottonwood. Cottonwood, that's like all these big ones that are everywhere. So cottonwood. Birds, animals, the western meadowlark, the harlequin duck, blackbird, magpie, red fox, striped skunk, white-tailed deer, beaver. Those were mule deer we saw earlier. But now I got a list. So here we have the majestic mallard. So cool. Think male, 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 and then maybe that's a little female over there. I don't know. Mrs. Home knows this, but my nickname used to be Mallard. Yeah, back in the day. Oh man, so cool. So I think that guy's the harlequin. I don't know. There's probably a lot of outdoor ed teachers who'd be like, what is this guy telling you? Oh, we got a couple. Waterfowl. Yeah. Just cleaning themselves, hanging out. Oh, Meg just spotted a... Is that a muskrat? Where is that? Oh, we gotta investigate this. That's a muskrat. Oh, that's deadly. He's a big boy. So, this nature walk has been unreal. I'm not gonna lie. Megan and I are loving it. So the scavenger hunt aspect, you know, get outside, see what you can see. It's really crazy if you just make that effort, if you focus on taking your time and trying to pay attention to maybe what's around you instead of just blowing through. You probably have a really rad day like we did. So leave in the comments what you saw, maybe the animal, and that's what I'll go out and try and find next. That'll be the scavenger hunt aspect, so have fun. Deer poop, yeah, got it, got the shot. Some bonus footage, we got a wild Albertan Rottweiler and a wild hound. Nice one.